Man, this thing looks crazy. Look, you got the Hellcat carbon fiber hood, real carbon fiber. Got the hood pins right there. Got a carbon fiber splitter. Got the whole green rack. Got ModFX Customs right there. Shout out to you guys, ModFX. My guy Jose, Blue and Rand. Look at that. That thing looks crazy, y'all. I like that. My boy's crazy. He went all out. At first he was like show car, now he's like race car. So. Hey, what's up, Josh? Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I got too much fucking regular gas in my tank.
So what are you gonna do?
I either need to go like drive for another half an hour, because I really need to get down to a quarter tank before I dump that race gas in there. All right, so we're just outside the racetrack. So what does it take to get ready to race? We got a little race fuel mix. Gotta have a jack so we can put those skinny front runners on. Need something we can actually pour the gas in with. That's all important.
Oh man, you got the drag wheels too. Hey, you can't forget the drag wheels.
Yeah, we already got the rear drags on. We got the protective wrap on, which we talked about yesterday. I'm kind of digging it though.
Yeah, I like it.
And then, once we solve, I got too much regular gas in my tank, we can get the race gas in there. Shout out HP Tuners. We'll load this up on my laptop and we'll change from the 93 to the race tune. And that'll be, so the configuration of the race gas race tune with front runners will basically be my configuration for my fastest time. Of course, there's temperature and weather considerations too.
Hey man, I'm loving those wheels for real, for real.
Dude, for real.
Hey, that whole, just, you know, even that the black whatever, it looks good like that. You're gonna,
especially those decals.
so what's your goal? What kind of number are you trying to hit?
So definitely gonna have something that says 9 on a piece of paper by the end of the day. I guess stretch goal would be mid 9. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just walk up each configuration and just kind of see which changes make the most impact. So stay tuned, Big B TV, we live. And we'll keep you posted all day at Texas Quick 30, Texas Speed Syndicate, Amar. We'll see you soon, we got you.
Yeah, this car sounds crazy, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Look at that. Hopefully you can get like a low 9, you know what I mean? 'Cause my boy don't know how to race. All right, y'all, so we made it to the drag strip. We got all these race cars right here ready to perform. Got this cool Mustang right here with the little fastback wing. What's up, Sick B? How you feeling?
I'm good, man.
Yeah.
I'm ready to see what Explosive got under the hood over here and see what kind of numbers we got going on.
Hey, this car is insane, y'all, for real, for real. This boy's pushing 1,000 horsepower, which means pushing like 9 something to the wheel. Hey, it's gonna be a fun ride. Check this out, we got a Corvette Z06. And then right here we got an Audi R8. Looking real good. And it's a V10. We got a little GTR right here just chilling, looking good. And then right here we got my boy Explosive Cat over here chopping up the block. What's up, Omar? You got the gear or what? Got the tripod, got the backpack,
ready, bro.
Got the camera equipment.
Hell
Oh yeah, check out the merch too.
Yeah, get the merch, bro.
That's all you or what? Oh, okay, got the hat on too.
Yeah, you gotta represent, bro.
Hell yeah, we out here, man. Hey, check out the Audi R8 behind you.
Bro, that's just nice, dude.
And then we got the Corvette Z06.
Got the GTR.
GTR, we got Demon and a Hellcat over there.
We got a little bit of everything out here. You know?
Hell yeah. So this is how it feels to be inside of a 1,000 horsepower Hellcat.
It feels pretty good.
Hell yeah. I like how this thing shakes, man.
Hey. All right, hold on. I'm gonna get you some shake here in a minute. You ready?
Yeah.
This is what it feels like to stop in this car.
Man, you can hear the gas just like
sloshing back and forth.
Okay, so I don't even know these guys, but you know they pull up next to the Camaro. Okay, we got Chevy gang, got a ZL1, we got an SS. God damn! Look at that Sick B. What do you think about that? It's beauty, huh?
Amazing.
Hell yeah, I like that green, man. It's like, hey, green waffles. So what's your technique, Josh? How you gonna do it?
We'll find out. I'm gonna press the gas pedal real hard and point it straight.
Yeah, okay.
No, I'm new to racing, guys. Y'all know that. I've only raced one other time, but we're trying to figure out what all the right settings are and everything. There's a lot to think about, especially with the airbags. But we're gonna go track mode. and then we're gonna go traction control all the way off. That's how we're rolling here. Beating a McLaren for a first run of the day will do.
Hell yeah, man.
I think that's all right.
So we got the hood open, got the engine cooling off. He's gonna get the jack out and stuff like that so we can take off these wheels and put the skinnies on the front. So we got my guy Josh with the jack, about to lift it up. Got my guy Sick B with the skinnies. Hell yeah. Hey, lift it real quick.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, lift it.
Watch out.
Damn, okay. Sick B got the stock tire. Well, stock wheel and tire.
I don't know if I could get this one, bro. God
damn. Hey, weighs just like a Mopar.
We out here, LA Fitness.
Oh, yes, sir.
With some shoulders.
Hey.
Come on, pull them up.
Hey, if girls are watching my video, check this out. He about to air out. Check out this Corvette. God damn. That thing's nice. Got the fat tire. My guy Josh is not happy with the times, so he is putting the original wheels on. taking off the skinnies. He's saying that, you know, on the track, he keeps moving forward. Ain't that right, Josh? You keep moving forward with the skinnies?
Yeah, they're not holding me back to stage in a higher RPM.
Yeah, so we're going to take those off, put the original wheels back on, see how that goes. And then for the meanwhile, we got the ice pack on the supercharger.
To the race tune.
Oh, you're doing the race tune?
Yeah, we haven't done any runs with the race tune.
Oh, okay. Nice. So we're just gonna let it cool down for a little bit. Got the ice on the supercharger. So hopefully he can get a better time than 10.5, 10.7, 10.9. Okay, y'all, so he's doing his best times with the stock wheels in the front, so he's just gonna leave them that way. We're cooling down the supercharger once again. He did get a 10.2, so he's gonna try to get like a 9-second, maybe high 9, mid 9, or whatever. Let's look at the engine real quick. So he got like all types of stuff down in here. I don't know what all that is, but it's 1,000 horsepower. You need to put the power down. You know, when you have something that fast, you have to put the power down. So you need the right wheel setup. I mean, he has the drag wheels and the tires in the back. The skinnies didn't really help out for him, but I mean, I don't know what else could possibly, you know, make a better time. So just drop, you know, just drop your thoughts in the comments below. You know, let us know what's going on and what should we do. But yeah, it's a beautiful car, man. That thing looks crazy going down the drag strip. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do. You got anything to say, Josh?
Yeah, hey, we're out here trying a lot of things, I think, to still work out to be at the ultimate fastest. But thanks for watching. We'll stand up and knock him down. We'll see you next time.
Hell yeah. And he's learning his car, y'all. He's still learning and trying to get everything together. So 10.2, the best time you got?
So far.
So far? I mean, come on now. He got it.
Hopefully we'll report a 9 on Instagram later. We're going to give it one more try here.